Hello everybody, today we are fixing my beard. This is my tool of choice to make my ugly face look barely presentable. It's a Remington PG6130 and I like it a lot, but the battery is awful. It discharges way too quickly. So, let's disassemble it and let's see if we can fix this behavior. On the inside we can see just a simple AAA nickel metal hydride rechargeable battery. Let's unsolder it and add some fresh tin to the wires. What's strange is that it looks like that the plastic mold have the space for two batteries. I'm now wondering if I can solder two batteries in parallel to pump up the amperage and have a longer battery life. But I don't know if the charging circuit is suitable for it, so I'm just replacing the one battery. To replace it, I've got an IKEA rechargeable battery with the same specification, except for the higher amp power rating. It will hopefully mean a longer battery life. I'm now going to send the poles of the battery to allow the tin to stick to it. I also need to be really careful, because apply heat on a battery is never a good idea, so I'm going to try to be as fast as I can. After we've moved the spongy spacers, we are going to solder the new battery and see if everything works. Good. Since everything is working, we can reassemble it. I was really close to buy a new trimmer, but we've hopefully solved its problem, and I'll be able to use it now. If you have any idea on the double battery setup, please write it in the comment and I'll add the second battery and let you know. But for now, this is it. Thank you for watching, I'm Leo, and as always, remember to keep things alive.